In this video, let's talk about making your CURD business profile stand out by adding SEO keywords to it. This will help people find you when they're looking for your specific services or expertise on CURD. Let me show you how to add them. First, you access your side menu bar by clicking on the profile picture on top right, and then you choose your business profile by swiping. So we are going to choose AKA Think Designs, which is a graphic design firm. So click on it. And once you enter your business profile, you'll find a section for you to add SEO keywords. So you go down and click on the edit option here. Now, when you're choosing keywords, think about the words people might use to search for you, and you add those keywords here. So since we are a graphic design firm, we can use broad and specific keywords related to our skills. So I've already added graphic design services, brand identity, UI UX, freelance graphic design, illustration. We can add more. So let's add logo design. So click on it so that gets added here. And then we can also add print design. Click on that. And once you have added all the keywords here, go down and click on update. Now, the more keywords mean more people seeing your profile, and that means more connections and more opportunities. So make sure you add at least 8 to 10 keywords here.